So you're going to take CAEL and you'd like to do a bit of preparation first. Where to begin? There's a wide range of prep options available, including both free and paid materials. Right now, let's take a closer look at our free materials. We'll start with our YouTube channel. Here you can watch dozens of episodes of our series, CAEL Live, about a huge assortment of CAEL-related topics. Also make sure to check out CAEL Prep with Brandy, a series hosted by one of our CAEL experts and focusing on strategies for different parts of the test. And that's not to mention the series on study tips, recordings of live webinars, and more. Speaking of webinars, head over to our website to see the full selection of the live sessions we provide. These are all hosted by CAEL experts, and you'll get a chance to ask questions while you attend. We'll talk more about these in a separate video. We've also got 2 complete CAEL practice tests, which you can access for free. You'll find these through the website and also inside your CAEL account. This is a great chance to get a feel for the test experience. And what studying would be complete without a study guide? This PDF ebook is a great way to learn about the test, as well as tips and strategies for each component. You can download it for free from the CAEL store. We hope this quick overview will help kickstart your preparation. See you soon!